Rumor has it, in January 2025, NASA intercepted a mysterious deep space signal. When decoded, only one word appeared. In ancient Egypt, Sekhmet was the goddess of plagues and destruction, and ancient texts warn a voice from the sky will consume all life. Conspiracy theorists claim this signal marks the beginning of the very disaster foretold thousands of years ago. Some say this is the first message AI couldn't fully decrypt, and it might have come from something not of this world. NASA allegedly kept this hidden from the public, fueling even darker theories. Is this pure coincidence, or is an ancient prophecy unfolding right now? Drop A in the comments if you believe it.